Mini chainsaws are known for their ease of use, portability and reduced noise levels compared to larger chainsaws. So here we are at Excel Tools introducing the brand new 18 volt 4-inch mini chainsaw. The 4-inch guide bar is ideal for pruning and felling small to medium branches, making firewood by trimming and cutting up construction timber. With a cutting speed of 4.8 meters per second and 3000 RPMs, it can cut up to 95 mil into wood. Mate, it's so easy, it's unreal. I would give it a 5-star safety rating because the bar and the chain guard goes all the way up to 120 degrees, and the safety lock-off button which will prevent accidental startups. Replacing the chain is super easy. Open the bar retention knob all the way and take it out the sprocket cover.
Take it out the chain carefully and replace it.
Make sure to put the chain in right direction and just align it to the sprocket, lock the cover and you're ready to use it. Don't use the saw without any lubrication. We have provided this cute oil pourer as well. You've probably seen, guys, on certain mini circular saws the motor are on either the left or the right side. However, on our Excel one, it's upwards, which will make it more comfortable to use it in certain positions if the motor was on the sides, either left or right. So, for example, like this. Simple as that. Made it so comfortable for me. Because of the amazing heat dissipation on both sides, the machine will never overheat, which will provide you an excellent experience. It is compatible with all our 18 volt XL batteries, so you can buy this in a kit with batteries and charger or just buy it as a body only. So check it out yourself on toolstotrade.co.uk.